Hi everyone, and welcome back to Nomad Nation. Today our shop apprentice Caden is going to show everybody how to change the air filter on a 2012 to 2018 Jeep JK. Take it away, Caden.
All right, let's get started. Oh, God. All right, so to go ahead and make this easier on yourself, or to get the box apart, you're gonna wanna take a 10mm, you're gonna loosen these up right here. That way you have a little bit more room to play with when you're trying to get the box off. Then you come over here and you unclip the 4 clips. There's 2 clips in the front, 2 clips in the back. 2 clips in the back are a little harder to get to, but I'll just go ahead and get these off. Some people might need a screwdriver if they got bigger hands, but you can just clip it off just like that. And this should pop open. And then you have access to your old used air filter. There it is. So what I recommend is that you check your air filter every oil change. First of all, you're gonna want to do a visual inspection just to see how dirty it is. If there's any debris like that, and as you can see, the visual inspection, this did not pass the visual inspection. There's a bunch of debris. It's dirty, it's not pure white anymore, and there's another way you can check it by holding it up to a shop light or even sunlight, natural sunlight, and see if you can see sun coming through. If there isn't, you should probably change it. All right, so if you need a comparison to see just how dirty this is, here's the new one, and there's the old one. So you're seeing more of a pure white here, and more of a not so much over here. If you can still see sun and you've passed the visual inspection, it's completely white, go ahead and put it in until that 10,000 miles is up. Every 10,000 miles, you're gonna wanna chain this regardless of the condition of the air filter. Then there's a little tab on these that you wanna point towards the top left here. Just right here. So you're gonna take your new filter, lift this up, slide it down in there, slide your filter in. There's a little track around the filter that the filter rests into. And you want to push this back so you clear the bottom of the filter. Pull it up and over the filter, make sure everything's seated correctly. Just like that. You want to take your clips, clip all 4 of them back just the way you had them. And then one more down here. And that's it. So that wraps up this episode of Nomad Nation Shop Talk. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to make sure you don't miss another episode. And we'll see you next time.